How to fix the AMD GPU Code 43 error, where Windows says, Windows has stopped this device because it has reported problems, code 43, and your AMD graphics card shows a yellow warning icon in Device Manager. Let's fix it. First, download the DDU tool. Extract the downloaded zip file, then extract the DDU folder. Next, restart your PC in safe mode. Once you're in safe mode, right-click the DDU application and select Run as administrator. In DDU, select GPU as the device type. It should automatically detect your AMD graphics card. Click Clean and Restart. This will completely remove the current AMD driver. After your PC restarts, open Device Manager and check the exact model of your AMD GPU under Display Adapters. Now visit the official AMD website and search for your graphics card model. Instead of downloading the latest driver, download the previous stable version, such as version 26.5.1, because the latest version may cause the code 43 error on some systems. Install the older driver and restart your computer. To stop Windows from automatically installing a newer driver, search for View Advanced System Settings, open the Hardware tab, click Device Installation Settings, select No, then save the changes. That's it. Your AMD GPU Code 43 error should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive.